Hello, I'm Captain Vile. Welcome back to Arkham Origins. Last episode we fought Deathstroke, and this episode we gotta deal with Anarchy.
I've planted 3 bombs where Gotham's corruption
And his...
is at its strongest.
There we go.
But unlike those I fight to overthrow, I believe in choice.
This guy. How you doing, buddy?
Whoa, easy now. I ain't looking for a fight. Got a message, that's all. Anarchy says if you're gonna make a withdrawal, you better do it soon.
Ba-dum-bum. Anywho, I'll be back for this guy. There's something really funny you can do with him. But Anarchy's quest is basically just putting bombs around, fighting henchmen, and defusing a bomb. I'm pretty sure there's one near... oh, nuts. Where you start the ship mission. Pretty sure there's... they reuse that specific point. Can't quite remember, though. Anywho. These missions are similar to Zaz is, in that, like, get somewhere, quick. I don't think I've got this, done. No. Oops. Howdy. Bit busy now, fellas. This part always annoys me. You can't fly over that. You have to go through this tunnel.
Any available homicide units, please respond to 187 in the Bowery. Officers on scene.
I'm busy dealing with domestic terrorism. Someone else can handle that. And my grappling hook is on the fritz for some damn reason. I don't know why that's happening. Or more of on my right bumper. Annoying. Uh-oh. Keep in mind, we do have to complete a fight after this. Why is it... okay. I'm sure we'll be fine. Hey, guys. No one has guns here, it's just funny.
They say money makes the world go round, but it also makes excellent shackles. You're tied to your job, your mortgage, your need to buy the shiny thing your overpriced television seduces you from. Imagine what we could accomplish if only someone would set us free.
Oh, rats. Also rats. Take him out with those, and I got time. Defusing the bomb is pretty easy. You just run up and hit it.
Alfred, we've got a problem.
So I saw. This Anarchy fellow mentioned 3 bombs, which means 2 still remain.
I need to find them.
I've no doubt you will, sir.
It's not that long of a quest, but I'll try and have it take place throughout the playthrough. Yeah, I mean, I could have gone this way. But you can't go over them, which is what annoys me. Oh, well. Guess we have to go to here. And we will fast travel, but I want to do one very funny thing. That's funny to me. I have to hold the button down to issues with this. I think I'm in the wrong... Yeah, I'm heading to the wrong spot. Or here, you know what? Let's get Riddler's Tower while we're in the area. Okay, I'm really glad we're not in a goddamn Predator section. This specific one is defend... Can we do this one right now, actually? Because this one is with jammers. Hidden throughout the, section. There's also an annoying, one to get there, where there's gonna be, oh, you're giving up already. If I can just... No, I have to secure it. Ow. Oh, that is larger range than I thought it was. Alright, I'm not gonna get hit during this section again. I have got to get the multi-ground takedown upgrade. Too sweet. 'Cause that's my playstyle. I get all of them down, and then get all of them down. But I'm just getting everyone on the ground, but not permanently down. Ah, nuts. Oh, fiddlesticks. PG profanities.
Let's see what you can do. Oh, right. I'm disappointed, Batman. You do realize there are other ways to overcome obstacles beyond smashing them.
You know what? I'll try that, actually. I wonder if you can use the explosive gel on them. Here, hang on. Does it work? Yes, it does. Hey. This happens a lot with Riddler Henchman. He's got a lot of... he's got a lot of electric fences in his bases. Ow. No, it happened to me. Oh, look at that. There's snow on his feet. Or there is for a second. Here. Does this work? Wonder if there's a line for this. Oh.
Well, I guess that's one way to solve a problem.
And get ready to Riddler talk. Get ready, or get used to Riddler talking about doors.
Who needs doors anyway? Interesting. Watching you figure that one out was a real treat. I'll make sure the next one is even more provocative.
This
Thank
isn't
you.
a game, Enigma.
Oh, but it is. And one you're more than welcome to stop playing.
I'm good. I like it.
You need to stop interfering with my work. Tackling these towers is one thing, but my handlers, my data, my network relays, those aren't meant for you, so back off!
He's not got that many handlers left. Well, that's not true. I haven't been going after them completely. But I have been going after them. Just wait till we get to night. Right. We will be doing the Jezebel Plaza. But I want my boat antics. Alright, this will only take a moment. I just gotta get in range. And at a certain spot. So, with this specific henchman... Is he still there? Hang on. May have to do a loading screen. Or maybe this is later I'm thinking of. I might be mistaken. Hang on. Give it a second, see if he spawns again. Ah, hang on. Damn it. I really gotta hold it. It's an old controller. Hope it's not breaking down. My damn keyboard's already breaking. Well, he's gone. Oh well. That's later. Oh. Is that not a challenge? Catching a Batarang? It is in the city. I don't think it is in night, though. Anywho... No sound for this one? That's intriguing. Oh well. A little awkward, but whatever.
Assassin's in town. The bat ain't gonna know what hit him. I don't think he's ever had to deal with this much heat at the same time before. Don't forget about Sionis and Cobblepot. I'm sure their crews are planning to take advantage of the situation.
Oh, that's them.
I'm hearing they're after the bounty too. Definitely not looking good for the bat tonight.
Green spray paint, Wonder who put him up to that. Riddler! Yeah, they're also kind of anticlimactic.
Please, stop. I'll get...
You're one of the scumbags Enigma hired to collect information.
There are others? I thought...
Shut up. Just tell me where you hid the extortion data.
Okay, you win. I'll tell you where it is.
But it was the only Riddler henchman. Alright.
The cops investigating this crime should have a relay station set up. It'll look like a mobile satellite dish, probably on a rooftop.
Here we are.
That's our guy!
Oh, hey guys.
Forget the regs!
Boop. Bonk. Oh, he bounced. That is maybe 2 inches of snow? And you just bounced on concrete? That'll heal right up.
Rubio, what's your 20? On the balcony for a smoke with a menace.
Those men on the balcony, that could be my way in.
Shut case. Penguin murdered Black Mask and his lady friend. We found the bastard, stuck his little fingerprints right by the body.
Yeah, we got Penguin now. Let's see him squirm out of this one. Fingerprints, 2 dead bodies. He's about to do some time.
Yeah, except forensics will take all the credit. And I'm the one
One found the prints.
That's why they call it first response. First pickings on the loot, but none of the glory. Me, I'd take the loot over the glory any day.
Going for a very specific takedown. Okay, Batman, I don't think the rope is necessary. Wow, these guys have got some fight in them. Oh, never mind. It just seems... I mean, maybe the rope was necessary. Maybe they would have just survived the fall. Survived, but, like, they would have been conscious. Well, actually, get landing on your head? No, maybe they would have just died. Eh, that's why I'm not Batman. The one door.
The police believe Penguin murdered Black Mask. But why would he send me here if he was the killer? It doesn't add up.
Let's see if you can see him tonight now. No? I'll come into play later.
This
That
crime
specific
took
little
place
corner.
days ago. The fire and the exposure to the elements make identifying the victims difficult. The male victim is wearing a black mask, but I can't positively identify him as Roman Sionis without a DNA analysis. Something I can't do in the field. I can identify the female victim based on her fingerprints. Tiffany Ambrose, Roman Sionis' girlfriend. Or one of them at least. She was no angel, long list of priors, but nothing to indicate she was the target here. The fire spread as a result of a Molotov cocktail thrown into the room. It may have been intended to destroy evidence.
Back to the body.
The shallow trajectory of the bullet suggests the shooter could be someone of Penguin's height. But the grooves on the floor suggest that the victim was killed by someone leaning back in a chair. This bullet was fired from a revolver. Ballistics analysis indicates a low angle of trajectory. The shooter could have been someone of Penguin's height, but the pattern in the gunpowder residue suggests the bullet was actually fired by someone lying on the ground.
See, look.
These fingerprints are a match for the Penguin, but they're on top of the soot from the fire. The cops were right. Penguin was in the room, but These prints prove he was here after the murders were committed. If he didn't kill Black Mask, who did? The only thing I know for certain is that Tiffany's shooter was lying on the floor. But why?
Oh, back here again. The window will come into play
These
soon.
white streaks are shoe polish. Whoever shot Tiffany was being dragged along the floor. Besides the victims, there were 2 other people in the room. Tiffany's shooter, and whoever was dragging the shooter. The location from which the male victim was shot may tell me more. The DNA here doesn't belong to either of the victims. Whose is it? The fight broke out when someone startled the shooter. It's not clear who won the fight. It could have been either one of them. I should review the evidence to see if I can learn anything more about either the intruder or the shooter.
Mm-hmm. No, I walked out of the... Alright. Let's actually take this seriously. Alright, let's actually take this seriously, for real. Alright, I know the... Here. Find fire. I know it's about phone. I just have to find where the phone is, or where it, when it comes into play. So, very beginning. Can I speed this up even faster? I don't think I can. He's pouring. I didn't realize that. Any second now. Little come through any second now. I should have done this from the beginning, frankly, but I wanted to. Can you blame me? Yes, you can very easily. Oh wait, hang on. He puts his hand on the. Alright, apologies for how long that took.
The intruder was wearing a white suit or sport jacket. This fabric swatch could help identify the intruder, but I still can't identify the male victim's shooter. There's one impact area I haven't checked for clues.
See? I was right, just at the wrong time.
This DNA is from the female victim. The level of oxidation suggests it's been here for several days. If I review the evidence, I may be able to find out what she was doing when she was attacked.
Oh my god. He was
sending
texting.
text messages to Roman Sionis about someone named the Joker. Someone killed Black Mask, but this crime took place several days ago, and I saw Black Mask earlier tonight. The only answers I have raise more questions. Who is the Joker? Was he the killer here, or is he one of the assassins? I have a body, an unknown shooter, and an unknown assailant who attacked the shooter. I need to match the DNA samples against the records in the National Criminal Database to identify who was in the room. Alfred, I need access to the National Criminal Database.
Well, the only way to do that would be to infiltrate the Gotham City Police Department.
Then that's where I'm going.
Sir, you'd need to physically hack into their servers.
Noted.
If you insist on doing something that foolish, you'll need a powerful, non-lethal weapon. I recommend coming back here to pick up your concussion detonator.
Not a bad idea.
And I'll level up. I can get these. But these are from, you know. That's not normal upgrade points like these. I think we gotta go for this one. Alright, so that's here. Alright, sorry that took so long. Maybe I should stop being a detective in bad faith and rewinding whenever they die. I'm not gonna stop doing that though. I should, I'm not gonna though. Very key difference between the two.
Come in, 8-2. Dispatch, Delta 4-4. Can you raise Delta 8-2?
Stand by 4-4. Delta 8-2. Delta 8-2, come in. Delta 8-2, come in.
This is a rather scenic,
Delta 4-4.
good place for an outro. Anyway, if they can shut up. So, thank you for watching, and goodbye.